Why does your inner critic always show up right when it matters most? Think about that. Not after the moment, not tomorrow, right in the middle of pressure, right when you need confidence, focus, trust. That voice suddenly gets loud. Don't mess this up. You're choking. Everyone sees you falling apart. And the crazy part? Your inner critic always acts like it's helping, like it's protecting you. But your inner critic has terrible timing, because the moment you start listening to it, you stop performing naturally. Welcome to Vibe Mode Reset, a modern alternative to traditional meditation. This isn't about becoming someone new. This is about learning how to perform without fighting yourself in real time. Because somewhere inside you, there's already a version that knows how to do this. You've felt it before. When you're loose, present, flowing. When you stop trying so hard. When instinct takes over, that version is real. But the second pressure enters the room, your inner critic grabs the microphone. Now you're not performing anymore. You're judging yourself while trying to perform. And nobody performs well like that. Take a breath, in and out. Now lock this in. My inner critic has bad timing. Again, I perform better when the noise gets quieter. That's the shift. Because your problem usually isn't skill. It's interference, the overthinking, the pressure you create in your own head, the running commentary after every mistake. And the worst part? The critic gets louder after one bad moment. One mistake turns into, what if I lose? What if I fail? What if I fall apart again? And suddenly, you're no longer in the moment. You're trapped in imagined outcomes. That's why your best performances often happen when you stop talking to yourself completely. Not hyping yourself up, not panicking, not forcing confidence, and just doing what you already know. That's flow. And flow happens when your mind finally stops interrupting your ability. Step 1. Catch the critic early, before it takes over the entire moment. The second you hear, don't choke. You always mess this up. This is going bad. Pause and remind yourself, the critic is reacting, not performing. That voice doesn't help timing. It ruins timing. Step 2. Return to what's real. Not the crowd, not the score. Not what happens if things go wrong. This breath, this move, this moment. High performers simplify under pressure, one step at a time. Step 3, trust your preparation. Because pressure didn't erase your skill, your talent didn't disappear, your ability is still there. You just stop trusting it. The second fear starts talking. Let this hit. Your inner critic performs worse than you do. It tightens you up, rushes your decisions, makes you hesitate, makes you play scared, and fear has terrible rhythm. That's why freedom performs better. The next time pressure hits, don't ask, how do I stop being nervous? Ask, how fast can I stop listening to bad timing? Because the faster you stop feeding the critic, the faster your real ability comes back online. Confidence returns, timing returns, instinct returns, and suddenly, you stop forcing the moment and start flowing through it again. This is why repetition matters. Come back to this reset before competition, performances, presentations, difficult conversations, or any moment where pressure tries to make your inner critic louder than your ability. And pair it with the free affirmation loop built specifically for this session. If you want deeper mindset conditioning, the full reset collection includes morning, midday, and night resets designed to help you train confidence, focus, and emotional control daily. And if this reset hit home, subscribe to Vibe Mode Reset and keep training your mind the same way you train your craft. Because the goal was never to silence every thought. The goal was to stop letting bad timing control your performance.